house for questions. Since we are all standing between you and lunch, maybe 4 or 5 questions, and that's where we will stop. Any questions? Yes, please.
Every day we hear that the TRP of certain cereals are increasing. Can you focus or say some point on TRP? How does that affect the cereals or the...
I'll let Neeraj take that.
I'll try and keep it short, but basically this is it's a data that most media companies are buying from a survey agencies. So right now we have one leading company in the industry called CAN-Intent. They have a mechanism to find out how many people are watching a news channel or a news any channel, any TV channel. The process is just like as you do surveys, you take a sample and you put a set-top box on their television sets which records who is watching in the family. So if you put 6,000 odd set-top box in different cities and you tell them that if the sir is watching or madam is watching or the kid is watching, what's your profile? You are an employer, you are a self-employed person, you are a professional, what is your income? On that basis, they draw a data indicating who is watching, how long they are watching. And when there's a TRP, television rating points, once a certain viewer watches it for more than a minute, it counts as 1 in that unit. So that's why a lot of people talk about stickiness, and then they say we are the best in stickiness. That maybe not too many people watch, but when people watch you, they stick to your show. So a lot of people, you must have wondered why after 10 minutes this person starts saying all the news all over again, or starts just repeating everything. That's because when we are trying to hold on to people, you started at 10:05, you started at 10:06, you switched on your TV at 10:07. I'm trying to hold all of you for as long as I can. That will increase my TRP, but not particularly you guys, the people who have this set-top box. And that's where this, and you must as a student know, there's a whole controversy about it, and there's not much I can speak because my company is into a legal battle with the system, because they think that sample size is very small. So this may not be giving the right perspective about right numbers about how many people are watching an A channel or B channel.
Just to add to what Meera said, it's like sort of taking a small pie and sort of extrapolating it to. There are about 20,000 meters out, TRP meters out, which they come and install at your home, and it records multiple XCCA, DC or D, whatever it is, that is mapped. Even that list is supposed to be sacrosanct, but it gets out so that there is manipulation happening there. So it's all about how you hold your viewer. It's just that. So that's why, as is rightly said, why television, news, including news, why is it repeated? Why is it that television shows get repeated or multiple time zones? So this is that.
Sir, digitalization of cable networks, how it is going to affect the entertainment industry?
That's very important. Actually, that's where the whole, when I said people are into legal battles, and that's where the point is, because a lot of TV channels thought that cable guys were not reporting the right number of their subscribers. So there is this revenue mismatch. Second, digitalization will give you, as a viewer, a chance to pay for what you watch. So you don't have to depend on your cable guy. An A person or service provider, and also for TV channels, it will help in a way that when you are not watching, not paying for a certain channel, the right number comes to a TV channel, and he would know who is watching, who is not watching. A, and second, that he will not miss out on revenue which should come, because there's a greater authenticity of the. But that does not mean that your desktop, your set-top box is a TRP meter. It does not mean that. So it's with them in them. It's undisclosed places where they put their set-top boxes. They don't disclose it. Otherwise, I can go and influence you that you are in my neighborhood. I come on NDTV. Please watch me. I give you a toffee every day. We can't do that.
Okay, I'll probably take that and then I'll allow some of you to also talk on. Well, I think media plays, I think, a very important role in making or breaking a writer. I'll just give you a very simple example. When Ravan was coming, I remember there was this huge high voltage advertising. Everywhere you saw it and everybody wanted to go and watch Ravan. And then I saw a couple of reviews that came out in Times of India and in PhD saying, good, Shah Rukh has tried to do a great job, but somewhere it's not, sort of making the cut. And I remember I actually didn't want to go and watch it after I read the reviews. And I went because of peer pressure, because everybody was watching it, but then I didn't want to watch it. Not a great example, but let me tell you this, that when the pesticides issue came up and it played out hugely, the sales of brand Coca-Cola actually fell to less than 2% of their entire sales. And it happens with everybody, every brand, when you get hit big time, when Indica was getting hit in the media in terms of, the fact that it wasn't a great product, Tata's biggest innovation in the country actually did not take off. So it plays an all-pervasive role.